Good morning students. Now today we are going to start with our new chapter, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. The name of the chapter is Microsoft PowerPoint and it is the chapter number 7. So you have to click on the start button and after that you go to the Microsoft Office and here you select the Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. In this way this page will be opens for you. This is a Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. You maximize the screen. So what is a PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a presentation program developed by the Microsoft. It will provide us the tools with the help of which we can make the presentations using words, graphics and media. So PowerPoint presentation is also known as the slideshow. One page of your presentation is a slide and group of the pages on any one topic is called the presentation. So this is the slide. When you open the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, this is the slide. So what is a slide? Slide is the basic unit of PowerPoint presentation. In the slide, we can add title, text, table, charts and pictures. So the first slide is assumed to be the title slide. Whenever we make a presentation, the first slide will be the title slide always. So by default, its orientation is landscape and this box, this is the click to add title. This is known as your title. This is known as your subtitle. This is known as your title and this is known as your subtitle. So what is a title? It is a heading which identifies the slide. Suppose you want to make the presentation on online safety. So here you write online safety. So this slide will tell us that we are going to make the presentation on online safety and you can adjust the slide accordingly, like you can shift it to the up and here you can write about what is online safety. So it will come in this box in the subtitle. So what is online safety? It refers to safety. So in this way beta, you can write anything about the online safety. So this is the basic element of a slide. So now what will be the next? We can add the themes and templates to our Microsoft Office. How? You go on the File tab. See here how to apply the theme. Now first of all, what is the theme? Theme is we must use the theme for entire presentation so that the slides have a consistent look and feel. We must apply the theme to our PowerPoint so that it will be the consistent. So how you will apply the theme? You go on the File tab and go on the new option and here is a theme option. You click on this theme option and there are so many themes available here. You will take any of the theme according to your choice. Suppose I'll be taking this theme, yes, this one, and click on the create button. So in this way you can apply the theme to your PowerPoint presentation. So you see here the theme that you have selected is now available on your PowerPoint slide. You can also change the theme. Go on the File tab. अगर आपको नहीं ठीक लगा, themes पे जाइए and you will take this theme or we will select this theme, like this is theme, and click on the create button. Now you see here this theme is available. Okay, so in this way you can apply the theme to your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Now the next is how to apply the templates. You can also apply the templates by clicking on the file option, then go on the new and here are the templates. You select, like these are the templates. So these are the ready-made templates. In this way you can click on the sample template. Like I have been taken, which I'll be taking, like suppose it's diagram. Yes, I'll be taking the diagram. Now Microsoft Office will search all the templates for diagram. You can take, suppose you want to take this one and download. Yes, you see here In this way, you can apply the template to your Microsoft Office, or you can take another template, click on the new option, My Templates. This I'll be cancel. Suppose I'll be taking the animation. So suppose I'll be taking the animation. So suppose I'll be taking animation, or you can take any another template, like I'll be taking the animals. So in this way, you can take any of the templates according to your choice. So students must open every template and apply the template whenever you make the presentation. Now students, I have this ready-made presentation on my computer. Now the next topic, that is PowerPoint views. We can use the PowerPoint views to change the appearance of your presentation on the screen. We have the 5 views: normal view, slide sorter view, notes page, reading, and slideshow view. Sorry, we have 4 views: normal, slide sorter, notes page, reading, and slideshow view. So we will discuss one by one each view. For this, you have to go to the view tab. This is the view tab, and you see here there are the 4 views. The first view is the normal view. This is your normal view. In this normal view, this view is divided into the 3 panes. This view is divided into the 3 panes. This pane is your slide thumbnail pane. Again, I am telling you, this pane is a slide thumbnail pane. Means this pane will contain the thumbnail of each slide. So wherever you click on any of the slide, that slide will be shown on this area. Like if I am clicking on this, so this area will be filled by the clicking slide. So this is your slide thumbnail pane. This is your slide pane, where actually the content is written, where you can do the formatting, where you can add the text, where you can add the tables, and so many. Now the last one is your notes pane, where we can add the notes regarding this slide. Suppose this slide is save nature, so we can add the notes regarding this slide. Now how can you add the notes? For example, you click on here and you can write about this presentation is about nature. So in this way, you can add the notes to your slide. Now the next is your outline tab. You see here, this is your outline tab. Click on this outline tab. Suppose the first presentation थी हमारी presentation on save nature. Second, we have how we will save our nature. So we have to write that content. And the third slide is so save nature and save life. So whatever the content you write on the slide, what the outline view do? Outline view will replace the slide thumbnail pane. So what it will do? Our presentation will appear as an outline made up of the title and main text from each slide. So outline view क्या करता है? हमें हर एक slide का text show करता है. But slide view क्या करता है? It will give us the view in this way. But outline view will give us the view like this. It will show all the text to us in the text form. So this is your outline view. Now our next view is slide sorter view. It will view the presentation in the slide sorter view to easily rearrange the slide. I am going to click on the slide sorter view. Yes, you see here, this is the first slide and you can rearrange slide. Like you can easily forward up and down in this way. Okay? So in this way you can adjust your slide. So this is your slide sorter view. Normal view, essay, like this. This is your slide sorter view. So what the slide sorter view will do? It will create the miniature slide of the presentation. So it will easy for us to add, delete and move the slide, and we can also select the transitions for slide. In this way, this is your slide sorter view. Next is your reading view. I am going to click on this reading view. Yes, this is your reading view. Entire slide on your screen. It is very easy for us to read anything. So this is your reading view. You can click on the escape key to to come back to your previous view. Next is your notes page. In this way, this is your notes page view. And what you will do, if your presentation is ready, you click on the slideshow and we click on the from beginning, and in this way you can view your slide. You can check your slide by clicking on this right arrow key. When I press this right arrow key, next slide will be shown. Yes, see here, this is the, I'll be clicking on the right arrow key because there is an animation on this slide. So in this way you can apply the slide show.